In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add categories to Google Calendar in a simple visual way by using event colors. Google Calendar doesn't always call them categories, but color coding is the easiest way to organize your schedule, separate work from personal events, and make your calendar easier to scan at a glance. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or app and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the calendar view, you can either create a brand new event or open an existing event that you want to categorize. If you're building your calendar from scratch, start by clicking on the day and time where you want the event to appear, then add the event details as usual. If the event already exists, just click it to open the edit window. Now look for the color icon. This is the tool that lets you assign a color to the event, which works like a category label. When you click the color icon, Google Calendar will show you a selection of different colors. Choose one color for one type of event such as work, another for personal, and another for meetings. The key here is consistency, because the whole point of categories is to make similar events easy to recognize instantly. For example, you might decide that blue is for work meetings, green is for personal appointments, and orange is for deadlines or reminders. Once you pick a color, save the event if needed. When you go back to your calendar, you'll see that event displayed in the color you chose. That makes it much easier to tell what kind of day you have coming up without opening each event one by one. If you want to add more categories, just repeat the same process for your other events. Open the event, click the color icon, and assign the matching color every time. Over time, this creates a clean system that helps you manage your schedule faster and with less stress. It's especially useful if you have a busy week and need to quickly separate team meetings, family events, appointments, and personal tasks. A good tip is to keep your categories simple. You don't need too many colors because that can make the calendar harder to read. 3 to 5 consistent categories is usually enough for most people. The more organized your color system is, the more useful Google Calendar becomes. And that's it. You now know how to add categories to Google Calendar using colors. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you organize your time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and then let me know in the comments what other Google Calendar features you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.